Today, we present a comprehensive review of the 16 ounces stainless steel mug tumbler in blue from Nerforta, a product that has caught the attention of gift givers and coffee lovers alike. We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a detailed, expert-driven overview of what users truly like and dislike about this mug. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The Nerforta 16 ounces stainless steel mug tumbler is marketed as the ultimate gift for men, especially for occasions like birthdays, Father's Day, anniversaries, and holidays. The mug features the humorous phrase, "I fix stuff and I know things," making it a standout choice for dads, husbands, sons, new dads, and bonus dads. This clever design appeals to those who appreciate a blend of practicality and personality in their everyday items. One of the most praised aspects of this mug is its construction. Crafted from 18/8 food-grade stainless steel, it is both rust-resistant and unbreakable. Many reviewers highlight the peace of mind that comes with knowing this mug will not shatter or crack like glass or plastic alternatives. The robust build ensures longevity, making it a cherished gift that can withstand daily use and the occasional drop. The mug's BPA-free materials also contribute to its safety and environmental friendliness, a factor that resonates with health-conscious and eco-aware users. Performance-wise, the double-wall vacuum insulation is a standout feature. Users consistently report that the mug excels at keeping beverages at the desired temperature for extended periods. Hot drinks remain warm for hours, while cold drinks stay refreshingly chilled. This insulation reduces the need for constant refills and enhances the overall drinking experience, whether at home, in the office, or outdoors. The mug's 16-ounce capacity strikes a balance between portability and sufficient volume, making it suitable for coffee, tea, iced drinks, and more. The spill-resistant, clear push-on lid is another element that receives positive attention. The lid fits snugly, minimizing leaks and making the mug easy to transport. Many users appreciate the convenience of being able to carry the mug in a bag or while walking without worrying about spills. The included straw and brush add to the practicality, supporting both hot and cold drink preferences and ensuring easy cleaning. However, the mug is recommended for hand washing only, which some users note as a minor inconvenience compared to dishwasher-safe options. In terms of usability, the mug's design is both functional and visually appealing. The blue color and bold text make it an eye-catching accessory, while the round shape and smooth finish provide a comfortable grip. The mug is described as lightweight, freezer-safe, heat-resistant, and break-resistant. Its dimensions, approximately 3.75 inches wide and 4.5 inches high, are generally well received, though some users mention that the actual width feels closer to 4 inches. This slight discrepancy has led to mixed opinions about its compatibility with all vehicle cup holders. While it fits in many standard holders, a few reviewers caution that it may not be suitable for every car, particularly due to its wider base. Gift givers overwhelmingly praise the mug as a thoughtful and unique present. Many share stories of gifting it to fathers, partners, and friends, all of whom were delighted by the humorous message and practical features. The mug is often described as a hit at birthdays, Father's Day celebrations, and holiday gatherings. Recipients appreciate the combination of durability, insulation, and the personal touch of the engraved phrase. Several reviewers note that the mug quickly becomes a favorite, with some family members even stealing it for their own use. Despite the many positives, there are a few areas where the mug receives constructive criticism. The most common concern is the width of the mug, as mentioned earlier. While the stated measurement is 3.75 inches, some users find it closer to 4 inches, which can affect how well it fits in certain cup holders. This is particularly relevant for those who plan to use the mug during commutes or in vehicles with limited cup holder space. Another minor drawback is the hand wash only care instructions. While the mug is easy to clean with the included brush, some users would prefer the convenience of being able to place it in the dishwasher. The mug's versatility is highlighted in its recommended uses, which include travel, nursing, and home. It is suitable for both hot and cold drinks, making it a year-round companion for coffee, tea, water, and even iced beverages. The spill-proof and lightweight design makes it ideal for outdoor events, parties, camping, tailgating, or simply relaxing by the lake. Its robust construction ensures it can handle the rigors of daily life, from the kitchen to the great outdoors. Looking at customer ratings, the mug enjoys a strong reputation, boasting an average of 4.8 out of 5 stars from 45 ratings. It ranks well in several categories, including novelty coffee mugs and glassware. Users consistently mention the mug's ability to hold temperature, its comfortable size, and the secure fit of the lid. The positive feedback extends to the overall value for the price, with many reviewers stating that the mug exceeds expectations for its cost. The mug's design theme is versatile, making it appropriate for a wide range of occasions, from Christmas and Valentine's Day to Grandparents' Day and Thanksgiving. Its classic style and humorous message make it a memorable gift that stands out from more generic options. The included components, lid, brush, and straw, add to its appeal, providing everything needed for immediate use and easy maintenance. From a technical perspective, the mug's features include being spill-proof, lightweight, freezer-safe, heat-resistant, break-resistant, recyclable, insulated, and reusable. It is designed for adults and is manufactured by Nerforta, with a total weight of 13.1 ounces. The mug's round shape and text pattern contribute to its modern yet playful aesthetic, making it suitable for a variety of personal styles and preferences. In summary, the Nerforta 16 ounces stainless steel mug tumbler in blue is a standout product that combines durability, performance, and personality. Its unbreakable stainless steel construction, double-wall vacuum insulation, and spill-resistant lid make it a reliable choice for anyone seeking a high-quality mug for daily use or gifting. The humorous engraved message adds a personal touch that resonates with recipients, making it a popular choice for special occasions. While the mug's slightly wider base may not fit all cup holders, and the hand-wash-only care may be a minor inconvenience, these drawbacks are outweighed by its many strengths. Users consistently praise its ability to keep drinks at the perfect temperature, its comfortable grip, and its overall value. If you are searching for a practical, durable, and memorable gift for a father, husband, or handyman in your life, the Nerforta 16 ounces stainless steel mug tumbler is highly recommended. Its blend of functionality and fun ensures it will be appreciated and used for years to come. Don't forget to check the product link in the description to support the channel and see the latest pricing and availability. If you already own this mug, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is invaluable in guiding future buyers toward the best products on the market.